great freedom fighter. He was born on 18. He was born on
2nd October
2nd October
1869
1869
in which?
Porbandar, Gujarat.
Very good. Now third point, his full name.
His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
Very good. Aishani. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter.
Mahatma Gandhi was the great freedom fighter.
His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Look here.
His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
He was born on 2nd October
He was born on 2nd October
1869
1869
in Porbandar, Gujarat.
in Porbandar, Gujarat.